Hello, and welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, Dutch organisation to develop 150 EU-funded rice waste gasification plants in Cambodia, Prince Charles on the need for a more circular economy, and Senator Ayala looks at mattress recycling in Connecticut. Dutch development organisation SNV World is running a programme aimed at installing waste gasification facilities in around 150 Cambodian rice mills. Here's a look at how they're doing it.
Each year, 1.6 million tonnes of rice husk is produced by the Cambodian rice milling industry. Most of this is destroyed or left to decompose and emit methane. If just 20,000 tonnes of this waste was converted to energy, it would replace over 4.5 million litres of diesel. This would add almost $3 million to the rice value chain, and individual millers would be able to make an extra $136 profit from a single tonne of fragrant rice.
One of the devices that can be an important part of that is to introduce biomass gasification. The gasification process allows us to turn what has been a waste product into usable energy.
In a video message recorded to celebrate the UK Energy Institute's 100th birthday, Prince Charles has spoken out on the need to move to a more circular economy. Here's what he had to say.
The central argument, and I draw on the thinking of Fieke Sibisma, head of the Dutch company Royal DSM, and others here, is that all the atoms and molecules we require, and certainly all that we are ever going to get, are already in existence on this planet. We just need them in different locations and in different combinations. For instance, many metals originally derived from mineral deposits in Africa are now back in that continent, but in the form of scrap and other waste materials. The challenge is to find ways to redesign our supply chains, develop innovative technologies, and generate sufficient renewable energy to enable us to use and reuse those molecules so that we have the closed loops that we need and will need ever more urgently as our population grows. In other words, we need more of a recognition that the natural world is in actual fact a closed loop system, and one within whose environmental constraints and parameters, climate change and pollution chief among them, we must find a way to operate.
Following on from last week's look at how students in Nashville have made a successful business from recycling mattresses, Connecticut Senator Andre Ayala takes a look at Park City Mattress Recycling Facility in Bridgeport.
Here we are at Park City Green, and we've just taken a tour of this wonderful facility that is part of this green jobs that we're trying to continue to invest in the state of Connecticut. And right here in the heart of Bridgeport, we have Park City Green doing a phenomenal job. Adrian, can you talk with our viewers and let us know what's happening here, what goes on?
Wow, well, you are in the middle of Park City Green. Then we are just bringing in today a bunch of mattresses, about 700 of them coming in from Yale University. So we are a mattress recycling facility here in Bridgeport, and we bring in mattresses from all over the state and on down to Yonkers even to deconstruct them and then sell the deconstructed products back into manufacturing. So in a mattress you've got foam like we have over here, you've got springs of course, you've got wood, and all of those can be used in other manufacturing processes. So that's what we're about. We're about keeping these mattresses out of the waste stream. We don't want them to be burned or landfilled. So here they just are going to serve a different purpose when we get them deconstructed.
For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.